We bought this abandoned house still full of the previous owner's belongings, and we're going to be cleaning it out and remodeling it to rent out as a long-term investment. In today's episode, we will be doing some exploration and starting to remove the items from the property, and I'll be sharing some of the things that we've already sold. So welcome to episode 2 of our cabin remodel. Echo blower, got a steel chainsaw, DeWalt battery drill, there's a circular saw, got steel weed whacker, some sort of saw thing, skill saw, another skill oscillating saw, some sort of saw thing. Saw or some tool. There's a tiller. A car lift or something. Shovel. With some Husqvarna chaps for a chainsaw. And a nail gun. And nails. Unopened box. Our goal today is to get a lot of the valuable things out of the sheds just so that these can't be stolen. This garden shed in particular was packed full of lots of little treasures and a lot of gardening tools. It's a planter.
What is it?
You put like some sort of plant thing.
You sure?
And then you like stick it in the ground and it plants it.
Huh.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
It's an antique. What is this called?
Sith.
A scythe. This is like an old style weed eater. That thing is so cool. An old weed eater. And this. I don't know what this is. It's some sort of light thing. Maybe it's a lamp. That's actually really cool. Box of nails. This is a Earthway Precision Garden Seeder. That's so cool.
Grinder.
It's a baby
It's
shovel.
for your children.
And it goes up and it
What?
feeds its rake.
Get the food. Keep the bugs away.
Is that like a composting toilet?
Just a camping toilet.
Nice.
Oh, somebody was living in here. Somebody was living in here.
That's fun.
Fruity ring.
They left their snacks.
Butter.
I wonder if it has electricity to this.
It must.
This was locked, wasn't it?
Just stop to get the.
It was cute. What is that? I need it to all be sterling silver.
This probably goes on this.
Those little things are in style now. Granny core. Missing a set.
a NASCAR thing.
Is that like Dale Jr.? Didn't he just die?
Not so long ago.
Cookie cutters.
Cookie cutters.
Oh, there's that paint sprayer. BBs.
It's so dark in here.
I think I might need. There's stuff up there. I didn't even see that.
Tents.
Baby stuff.
Bet you the coffee's a little old.
Look how it's smelling.
They make those, what do they call those? Get them at the Amish store.
Oh.
These are cool. Charles Darwin. Jackets. There's a bunch of Halloween stuff. That is Christmas. That's Christmas.
It's a Frosty Kids. Oh, look at that.
Yes.
It's Bob Ross. It's empty.
The Halloween.
Thought it was Tennessee orange. There's some blinds. Oh, there's little Christmas things. Aww. How cute. Aww. Those are fun.
Is there any guns in there? Any bullets in there?
Yeah.
Not old enough to know how to open it. Oh, Jean Naté! This was my Aunt Faith's favorite.
More Halloween stuff. Those are fun.
Saturday evening.
Oh, it's salt pepper shakers.
Belts. Are they leather?
Some leather bit.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah.
That's really cool.
It's a keyboard. She was a knitter. There's... Here.
Yeah, it's great.
Now for the basement. It's kind of bad down here. Gloves.
Check those out. That's pretty cool. Now listen. Oh, there's a popcorn maker. Like a cool, like, one. Oh, these are any good. I hope they're not all ruined. There's a Carhartt hat. Sweet. No. Paid for some of the house already. Ooh. Cool. That's all we've got for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.